Hi, my name is Dr. Rinki Kapoor. I am a cosmetic dermatologist and I am the director of the Aesthetic Clinics, which is a chain of skin and plastic surgery centers in multiple cities across India. We've been around for the last 20 years and more, and the Aesthetic Clinics has been a pioneer in introducing many new treatments, many effective treatments, many signature treatments in this country, which have benefited patients from not only India but also all across the globe. So let's see what the Aesthetic Clinics has to offer you this time. We have introduced a signature trademarked treatment for treating pigmentary disorders on the face and the neck, which is called as Face Brite. As the name suggests, Face Brite is something to improve the pigmentation, to get the complexion back to normal and the like. Now let's see what this treatment implies, what it is about, what is this treatment like, and what are the advantages, the benefits, and so on. Face Brite has been introduced specifically for treating stubborn pigmentation of the face and neck. Now it's a simple, safe, effective treatment with negligible side effects and rapid improvement in your pigmentary problems. The type of pigment that it treats could range anything from a normal suntan to sunburn to post-acne pigmentation to hormonal pigmentation like melasma and the like, to pigmentation like freckles. Now let's see what this particular treatment involves. So this involves a specific round of consultation with our consultant dermatologist who will evaluate the skin, figure out the cause of pigmentation. See, to treat any pigmentary disorder, you need to know what is the cause of the pigment, how deep the pigmentation is, and what is the right sort of treatment that can be done for this particular thing. So not all sorts of treatments work for all kinds of pigment. So that's why a consultation with your dermatologist is extremely important to figure out the cause, and then the doctor can suggest you this particular kind of treatment. Now Face Brite, as the name suggests, is for improving the complexion and the glow and taking away the pigmentation from the skin. Now how it achieves this is, it is a two-staged procedure. So the patient's typically called in for about 2 days to the clinic. And the first session is a preparatory session wherein there is an application that is done. It's a selected application customized according to the patient's skin type, applied on the skin for a couple of minutes, and the patient goes back home. So this is the preparatory phase. The second phase that comes in is the application of the actual actives onto the skin, which is done in the clinic. A particular thickness of the application is required to get the desirable results. This is determined by the dermatologist who treats you. The patient goes back home with the application which stays on the skin for a couple of hours, and then they wash it off. And thereafter, the skin starts exfoliating for a couple of days. Now this exfoliation, or the peeling off of the skin as it is called, happens for a couple of days after the treatment, where the patient would find dryness and redness onto the skin, during which they have to be careful from the sun. Thereafter, there is an application that we do. This is a customized application that we advise for the patients to apply to get the desired results. So a couple of weeks down the line, the pigment starts fading and the patient can achieve the results that they desire to achieve. This is in a nutshell the entire process. Results of this last pretty long, and it depends upon the maintenance. So if you do a good maintenance with the topicals that have been advised to you, it's hardly 1 or 2 creams that you need to apply as a maintenance. You can stay with a glowing skin forever. Thank you so much.